Welcome back. I'm Lew White. I remember when we were first starting to get engaged with Yahusha, and it was kind of like an engagement because we weren't committed. We were looking for him, and we went from one circus to another, trying to find the one that suited us. But, it's more or less getting your ears tickled because they're really not telling you everything you need to know. In fact, hardly anything that you really need to know. What is missing? Why do people feel like there's something missing? And the longer you attend, the more you want to get out of this one and go into another one to try to find him. That's what you're looking for. What's missing? People sense an incompleteness in what they hear from the pulpits, and most will bounce from one circus to another as they search for what is missing. They're seeking Yahusha and are ever learning, but never able to arrive at the truth. They're missing the word and the name. Why do I say that? They're not taught that the word. They dance around it, but they're said you don't have to obey it. And the name. And these are the highest of all things. The word and the name. Read Psalm 138, verse 2. The dragon's messengers have stolen these from the translations and twisted the message. Read the preface of your favorite translation, and it will show you openly what they've done. How can they obey unless someone teaches them? How can they hear the name unless someone is sent to speak it to them? Acts 5:32 says the Ruach HaKodesh is only given to those who obey him. And the first question that we asked was, what are we supposed to obey? And they don't know. They say one thing or another, but they don't ever tell you the truth. It explains in Acts 5:32 the simple reason some people can't receive the Ruach HaKodesh, which is the indwelling Spirit of Yahusha to assist us. The reason is this: they have not yet obeyed his commandments because their teachers have misled them. People are taught the commandments were done away, but Yahusha's death ended animal blood offerings and the old priesthood. If you read Deuteronomy 31, verse 26, and then read Hebrews chapter 8:13, these two verses are talking about the same thing. The old covenant was not inside the ark. It was written on an animal hide and placed beside the ark, the instructions for the priesthood to offer animal blood. And now it's obsolete. Don't start those up again. His blood did not destroy his Torah. He came to destroy the works of the devil, which is sin, not give permission to us to sin. Our belief is only confirmed by obedience. And it is obedience that gives living evidence of our belief. It's the outward evidence that we believe. Without obedience, there is no evidence that you believe. Those who know Yahusha obey his commandments. Those claiming to know him and do not obey are liars, and the truth is not in them. 1 Yehukanan, or 1 John chapter 2, verse 4 explains that. If they say, I know him, but they don't obey his commandments, they're liars, and the truth, which is him, is not in them. The fruit of the Spirit in a person, you can see it. The fruits of Yahusha's Spirit are not their fruits, they're his fruits. And he bears fruits through his branches, his Natsarim. We bear his fruits. Stop listening to liars and join the Natsarim. He said, Ani hagafen, I am the vine. Ata ha-Natsarim, you are the Natsarim. the branches of his teachings. Join NatsarimLife.com. Baruch haba b'shem Yahuwah. Google those words. Thanks for watching. Bye.